Welcome. This is Mr. McIntosh. I know it's kind of late, but I wanted to prepare a quick tutorial on how to find your scale lengths and scale widths. On your paper, a lot of you guys are missing this portion right here. The bottom two rows on page 207, in which you're going to put your scale lengths, that's this part right here, and your scale widths, this part, very last row. And you're going to do that by converting from your actual lengths, the lengths we measured in class, and our actual widths. These are our actual widths over here. The second row. Okay, how are we going to do that? Well, we take each number one by one. Okay, let's start with 38 feet. As you can see here, I already put 38 feet in. I'm going to multiply by the scale factor, so x times the scale factor k. This right here is k. Scale factor equals scale equals y. That's the second unit, unit 2, scale. Unit 1 was actual feet. Unit 2, scale inches. And our constant proportionality k, our scale factor, is 5 inches scale per 38 actual feet. We're going to be using the scale factor to multiply each of the actual measurements into scale measurements. Okay, so let's do one together. So let's start with 38 actual feet. Let's multiply it by the scale factor, and let's get the scale length, this. Okay, so 38 actual feet multiplied by 5 scale inches divided by 38 actual feet. We ask ourselves, what cancels? Well, 38 cancels on the top and bottom. We can cancel feet on the top and bottom, and we can cancel actual on the top and bottom. And what we're left with is just 5 scale inches, which is what we have here, equals to 5 scale inches. And we're done. Okay, that one was pretty easy. So for our scaled length, we would put on page 207, 5 inches. That's for the scaled category. These are all scaled lengths. Next, example 2. Now we're going to take the actual width. We're going to scale it and find the scale width, which we're going to put right here. So don't look at this yet. I'm going to find this one right now. Okay, 24 actual feet. Put it in for our actual length or actual width. We're going to multiply that by our scale factor, 5 scale inches per 38 actual feet. Okay, what can we cancel? Well, we can cancel feet on the top and the bottom. We can cancel actual on the top and the bottom. And we're left with 24 times 5 scale inches divided by 38. That's going to be our answer. Our units that we have left are scale inches. So our answer is going to be in scale inches. That's what we want. Let's go to multiply. We have 24 times 5 divided by 38 equals 3.158, and that's scale inches. Okay, we're going to take 3.158 scale inches, and we're going to put that right here in scale width. 3.158 goes right here. All right, let's do another example. Start off with Let's do 6 inches. That's the width for the pencil. It's also the width for the window. Okay, so that's going to go here after we do the calculation for scale width and scale width. Okay, let's plug it in. 6 actual inches times our scale factor. Notice the scale factor is not changing because we're scaling all these actual lengths using the same scale factor to get the same ratio of scale inches. Okay, so let's multiply 6 actual inches times our scale factor. Notice, unlike last time, inches cannot cancel inches, top and bottom. We can't do that. So, what can we cancel? Well, we can cancel actual and actual, and that's about it. Right? There's no foot on the top and bottom. There's no inches on the top and bottom. So, what are we going to have to do? We have to multiply by another scale factor. We're going to multiply by feet per inch. That way we can cancel inches on the top and bottom. We can cancel feet on the top and bottom. But does 1 foot equal 1 inch? No. 1 foot equals 12 inches. That is the correct scale factor. 1 foot equals 12 inches. And so that's what we wrote for our scale factor that we're multiplying all this by. Now inches can be canceled on the top and bottom. Now feet can be canceled on the top and bottom. And we're left with just scale inches. That's the unit we're sticking with. Now we can just multiply across. 6 times 5 times 1 divided by 38 divided by 12 equals 0.066 scale inches. That's what we're going to put right here for the scale width. Okay, last one. Let's do 24 actual inches. We got this from our actual measurement again. This time for a student desk. I'm going to do this one right now. And we're going to calculate this scale length right here for the student desk. Again, we start with the actual length, 24 actual inches. We're going to multiply by our scale factor, 5 scale inches per 38 actual feet. And we want to get scale inches. We can't get it yet because look, we have inches on the top, but we don't have inches on the bottom. We can cancel actual and actual. Okay, so actual is no longer there. But we need to cancel inches on the top and bottom and feet on the top and bottom. So let's multiply by feet per inch. Again, new problem arises. Does 1 foot equal 1 inch? No. 1 foot equals 12 inches. So our new scale factor we're going to be multiplying is 1 foot per 12 inches. Now we can cancel inches on the top and bottom, and we can cancel feet on the top and the bottom. And now all we're left with is scale inches. Let's multiply across now. 24 times 5 times 1 divided by 38 divided by 12 equals 0.263. And that is our final answer for scale length of the student desk. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I will see you all next time. Cheers.